to my channel. So as you guys already saw, this is going to be a review slash unboxing video, and this one is courtesy of EVAWIGS, which stands for Elegant, Valued, and Alluring. And so they were kind enough to send me this gorgeous unit that you see right here. I've already showed you guys all the deets of it, but just to kind of give you a refresher, the product number on this one is CEW130. It's in the hair color natural black. It's 18 inches. It's 150% density. It has a medium brown lace color. The cap construction is glueless full lace cap without ear tabs. The hairline is pre-plucked and the cap size is average. So from what I showed you guys, I showed you what it looked like with the lace still on, and I knew right off the bat that there wasn't going to be nothing that I need to do to this unit. It looked natural. I did glue this unit down because, as you guys know, I am working out now, and it's going to make it easier for me working out throughout the week, so I glued it down. So they were kind enough to also send me a comb, and so I just used this comb to comb out the curls a little bit, and these are the curls combed out. As you guys can see, the curls are gorgeous. Like, I'm in love. This unit is an A+ for me, 4 stars. So I'm absolutely loving this unit. I have no complaints. The fact that it looks so natural straight out the packaging is what won me over. I'm usually not a fan of like 18 inches just because I'm tall and I just kind of like my hair to be longer, but I'm actually a fan of this. Like, it's super cute. I love the length. I love the natural curls, especially after I comb them out. I love the hairline. I love that it comes with baby hairs already. I love that the lace matched my skin tone to where I feel like it looks pretty natural. I checked with my husband first to make sure, like, does it look good? Does it look natural? He said yes. So I was like, all right, let me go ahead and glue it on my head. So I also did show you guys what it looked like up in just, it wasn't a ponytail, but just like a clip, just to show you how natural it looked. It was right after I had did the baby hair. It's so versatile. So I think it came with this natural middle part right here, but as you guys saw when I took down the clip, it kind of fell naturally and it kind of did this little swoop over thing, and I was like, okay, I'm feeling it, and so I just kind of kept it. So all in all, I absolutely love this unit. Now, I'm not sure what the actual price of it is, but I will put it, you know, somewhere across the screen. I'm pretty sure it's going to be one of my more expensive units, but it's definitely worth the quality. So what I always say when it comes to wigs that are a little bit more pricier is that you will get your money's worth. I can feel that this hair is amazing. It's so soft to the touch. I had no issues with it shedding. I have no issues with it tangling. Like, you guys, look at this. It is not tangling at all. The curls are amazing. Like, just everything about this unit is amazing. So if you're looking to make an investment in some good quality hair and you're going to take care of it, then I definitely would say this will be a good option for you. So that's pretty much everything that I have to say about this unit. Hopefully you guys love it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Don't forget to enter into my giveaway. The giveaway link and the giveaway video will always be down in the description box until the giveaway ends, which is September 6th, I believe. So make sure you guys don't forget to enter because there will be 2 winners. And so yeah, that's pretty much everything. Hope to see you guys in my next video.